Hey guys, well here we are midway through September and it's 2025. I started working on this car on the structural piece. If you go back a few of my videos back in May I believe. So summer has come and gone, but this is a good video, milestone video for me. All the structural work on the car is now complete. All the paint work is now complete. And all the issues that the car had when I bought it has now been addressed in terms of the car was in an accident when I bought it, and also had a fair bit of rot on the frame and the floors. So basically the last 5 or 6 months were spent cutting out all the rust, making new frame rails, making new floor sections, and then wire feed MIG welding everything in. So I wanted to show you where we are today and sort of the completion of the project, if you will. And if you guys will go back and look at the original video from back in May, this part of the car right here, which is the left side, was the car was in an accident, and there was some really bad repairs done during that time frame just to get the car back on the road and when I bought it. So when I dismantled all the suspension and braking components, took the tire and wheel off, it was very clear the extent of the damage. And I went back through and just kind of running through what's all new. So this section right here is all brand new, boxed in frame rail that I made here at home, and then my neighbor Richard, he welded it in. And same with up here, that triangular piece right there was all rotten. That's all brand new and was made and then welded into. At the same time, be difficult to see, right over here, this section here had was completely rotten. So this triangular piece here, which goes against a firewall, that was all a new piece is all made and welded in. And at the same time, everything was sanded and then painted this industrial gray, which I really like. It came out really nice. No undercoating. I think I removed over 30 pounds of undercoating from the car, and that undercoating had a lot of issues beneath it. So I was glad to have spent quite a few weekends scraping it off and then just kind of determining the quality of the metal underneath. Here's a new section of floor that was welded in because it was really, there had a lot of holes in it. So this is new. And over here in the rear, new section of floor as well. And the back here, this is all new back here. So the rest of the car, actually, the rest of the floor was in good shape. It just needed to be all sanded down and painted. So that's what I did. I'm going to put the footrest back in. I'm going to make new footrest mounts and actually have the footrest recovered by my upholstery shop next week. And the thing I guess that stands out the most is the fact that everything has been powder coated and or painted or ceramic coated. The oil pan has been powder coated. There has been porosity issues with these aluminum oil pans, so it was powder coated and sealed and should have no issue moving forward. You can see I powder coated the front sway bar blue, put in new bushings. The mounts were all powder coated as well, and every suspension arm was powder coated as well, the upper and lower fronts. And you can see I had the conies rebuilt as well by Performance Shock in California, and the springs were powder coated. All new grade 10.9 fasteners were put in. So you can see everything looks really good. All new ball joints, all new tie rods, brand new brakes were put in, front rotors. I rebuilt the calipers and put in new pads as well. New bushings. I made new bushings on my lathe for the upper and lower control arms, and they're in now, and they're made out of polyurethane. And then the entire exhaust I ceramic coated, and so it looks pretty good. I've got a working emergency e-brake now, which is good. I'm glad to have all this all working properly like it should. And even all the mounts and the springs for the exhaust and just transmission mount, it's all been powder coated. The exhaust, springs, hangers have all been powder coated as well, and new fasteners put on. Everything came out real well. Here's my exhaust with the mufflers removed. So the car actually has a nice throaty sound to it. And that came out pretty well. The mufflers typically sit back here. So that came out really well actually. And then I kept the original ANSA tailpipes. And in the back here, same thing. I just kind of sanded where the wheel well is and painted it, primed it, painted it, and same with the rear frame rail here as well. So that's kind of where things are at. I'm going to start driving the car pretty soon, and I'm certainly looking forward to it. It's been a long time coming. It's been a lot of work, but wanted to share this with you. And then when I did buy the car, the car had actually been hit in the front, and the hood is now repaired. The hood was damaged right in here, and it's been repaired now, and it was pushed in against the driver's door. So every time you open the door, it would touch right here and damage the edge of the hood. So that's all been taken care of now, so it looks good. And it was a great paint match as well. So all the paint on the car is brand new. The car's been painted as well. The rockers are all new and have been stitch welded in. So the car's got a lot of love over the last few years since I've owned it. Under here was really badly damaged. This section right here was badly damaged, and I think it's where possibly a curb had hit this whole area here and damaged it. It's all been fixed now, and it came out really well. And under the rear bumper, it didn't look great either. So this whole area here has all been sanded down and repainted, and looks real good now as well. Wheels have all been refinished. All the Campagnolo wheels got new Campagnolo stickers as well, and then I even airbrushed a green line to match the paint of the car as well, just to give it a nice little touch. So that came out pretty well. Anyway, so wanted to share where we are with the car, the updates. Glad we're here. Glad all the heavy lifting is now behind us. And there'll be more videos on the car coming up, but it's been a long journey, and hundreds and hundreds of hours have gone into the car over the summer. But the results speak for themselves, and glad to be at this point. So take care, and hope you like and subscribe. There's going to be some more fun Espada videos coming up.